been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Man, I don't even know what is going on with this blooming camera. Look at this one here. You see she wake up, just waking up with her mad head. Yesterday when we came back, I didn't even end up finishing the vlog because it was just a crazy day and we had so much fun. And yeah, anyways, we haven't been vlogging for the last few days. We kind of just been down and out, guys. We have some really sad news. Like, I don't even know how to say this, but all 4 of our dogs are gone. Puppies are gone. Yeah, you have some wicked people about where live very close to you, where basically they kill off our dogs, they poison them, and it was so heart-wrenching to sit down and see like animals, innocent animals, they're suffering, you know, suffering, and it's just hard, you know. And the funny thing is, I know, you see, like Jamaica need to take stuff like that when it comes to animal cruelty more serious, because me know if them did in a Canada, those people, I could have called the police and had them charged. They render evil for evil, but it don't make sense. I've never been a person where when somebody do me something bad, me do bad or worse to them. Trust me, don't get me wrong, I am human. You think about it, but at the end of the day, is it really worth it, right? So I know in the Old Testament it says an eye for an eye, but sometimes me say, you see them same people that you leave them to God. And in life, me always believe that whatever you put out into the universe, whether good or bad, it will come back and come back tenfold. And I always say, if it doesn't come back on you, right? You remember, say you have your generation, you have your kids, your grandkids, your loved ones. So sometimes when you see certain things happen to people and you wonder, you know, why that person they suffer. So sometimes it's the generational curse where your family or your parents or whatever did something bad and wicked and it get passed down. That's why I always try to live good with people, and no matter what I go through and not like what people do to me, right, me try to live good with everybody. And if me see that things are not going, me slowly take myself away out of the equation, right? But yeah, guys, it was just so heart-wrenching seeing all her puppies died and had to bury them. The 2 male them died together. Oh, great. The 2 males them died together. We had to bury them, and then you had the females them died afterwards. We thought the females them were okay, but they got the poison, and the poison that they had, it slowed killed them, like literally slowly killed them. And me, as much as I would have wanted to see them out of their misery, or everybody in the yard, and it affected everyone in our yard, like, you know, we couldn't end up knocking them out or whatever, because it was just so heart-wrenching. It was heart-wrenching seeing them suffer, but like to even take their life, to finish ending their life and take them out of their misery, you just couldn't do it. Like I just couldn't. And yeah, and then so one died the Saturday and then the other one died the Sunday. Those puppies weren't even 3 months old. You can believe it? As big as they look, they weren't even 3 months old. And they were such loving dogs. Right now, we don't know if our 2 older ones are gonna survive, but we hope they do, and we're praying that they do survive, because we don't know if they eat the poison as well. And to think that people literally go out of their way to poison animals, like you don't have a heart. I'm sorry. I've never been the one to hold my mouth when it comes to things that I see are wrong. I'm going to talk about it, and as people will have platforms, these are the things that you use to bring awareness. They need to bring in a law when it comes to animals. Certain animals, like your dog, yeah, you just kill animals like dogs without remorse, cats without remorse. But it is what it is, though. Like me always say, if me could have called the police and had them charged, I would have, because I know who did it. Because you know, killed the other dogs than before, and the dogs that we had before that, and from uno have a certain thing. No dog, we can't have no dog in the yard, right? And it's messed up. It's messed up. But anyway, guys, enough of that. On a positive note, well, on a positive note, I'm alive, my family's healthy. I hope you guys are well and doing okay. A lot of us is still going through hard times right now, but pray and have faith, because enough times we are praying and we don't have enough faith, so your prayer won't work. Make sure you're having faith. They always say in the Bible, if you have a faith as a mustard seed, much less believe, anything is possible. So Mario's currently finishing up the windows. Guys, we've been so busy and had so much to do. We're just trying to get a lot of things done in a short amount of time. But oh, and Mr. Williams will have up, yes guys, you've requested it, people have asked me about it, so I am going to put up a channel for Mr. Williams, and it's not gonna be all the time videos are gonna be on the channel, but it's gonna be like the different stuff that he does, the different work contracts and stuff that he does, for like, for those that want to see how he builds windows from scratch to finish, those ones, whether how he puts in mesh and stuff like that, build mesh, storefront, tiling from start to finish. Those ones will be on a different channel. The basement that we did, the renovations, so any renovation project overseas, so any work overseas project that he does overseas are ones out here, or wherever we go, you guys will be able to see that. So it won't be an all the time thing, but when things are done, and well, if I get the time, or if he can actually do it, because sometimes you guys know I won't be on certain jobs with him, so you'll be able to see it. Rissa, that needs to hang up, it's still wet. So yeah guys, that is what is up. Right now we're just even still taking down the decking. Like, that's why I tell you, things have not been the way it's supposed to get done. And also, yeah, we got a few other things that we gotta do. We're trying to catch up on, so hopefully we can get those things done. Oh, but let me show you guys what is taking place. And yeah guys, we definitely needed a break. I just wasn't in the mood to vlog, and you know, I'm worried about my puppies, so we just needed a break. Hey baby girl. So you see, the mother's still alive, so she's been looking for puppies and haven't been able to find them, which is so sad. So, but as you can see, the decking's still up in there, and the decking's still up in here. We're trying, but the outside, we took down the outside, so the outside, oh, can you see? Can't even see. So the outside cantilever part has been taken down. Oh gosh. And Mr. Williams turned our room into a work area. So yeah guys, he's on the last bit of windows, because he hasn't really been feeling the mood lately with our puppies gone and all. Everybody's just been down. So as you can see, oh yeah, this is the small windows here. So these are, I think, the bathroom windows. So they're the last one that he's finishing up. Yeah, so like I just said to you guys, he will have I will do up a channel since you guys have been asking, and just to keep his work separately on there, because I know not everybody on our channel is looking for stuff like that. But at least if you're looking for it, there will be a link to his channel in the description below, and you guys can go ahead and actually subscribe to it, so when the videos them are posted, you guys will be able to see it. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit of glimpse of the end result. So yeah, so this is it, the small windows. Oh, see, boards them coming down. So, and then upstairs is decked a bit. So there's about what, six window or more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so there's 6 windows on each, so it makes 12. This is where he's supposed to be doing this down there. And he's not down there. Oh, wait, oh. So, oh gosh. But at least the day is nice. So relaxing. Morning. So they're relaxing. I think today may have to go wash Risa's hair and get her hair braided, because it's been a while. She's been letting her, I've just been letting her hair breeze out for a bit. So I'm gonna go wash it, blow dry it, and actually do up her hair. So she have it. I don't even know whether I'm just gonna twist it or stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good weekend. They say every day you get up is a new day, and it's a fresh start. And yeah, what you didn't achieve yesterday or the day before, you could also try and do today. So we're just currently here and taking it easy. But Mr. William wants to play his music because he likes to listen to his music while he works. So if there's anything else going on, I will come back and yeah, show you guys what's up. I'm not sure if when he finishes these windows, if he's going to go install them today or tomorrow. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted because there's more work coming up. I got so much stuff to do. But we'll definitely keep you guys posted. But we're still gonna try and go out and have a little bit of fun as well while we're still here. And since curfew pushed back a bit and they open up back the place a little bit more, definitely.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want